Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to deal with a lot of misconceptions that people have about ECOMI. Now, in the comment section, I hear a lot about, the market cap is too high, the coin supply is too much. And this is why OMI will never hit $1, at least not anytime soon. In this video, I'm going to walk you through why you are actually quite wrong and why this thinking doesn't really make sense in the crypto space itself. So make sure you stick around till the end because as always, I'm going to drop gems. Remember guys, remember to like, comment and subscribe, and as always, turn the bell notification on so you can stay up to date on all my recent videos. With that being said, remember, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice, so always make sure to do your own research. Let's get into the video. So as you can see on ECOMI, we're currently approaching 1 cent per coin. Many of you are saying this will only go as far as maybe 2 cents for the year or something along those lines. Now, I understand those sentiments. I understand why you are thinking that way, but you have to remember, guys, this is the crypto space. We're not looking at a stock market. I mean, if we had this approach, then we could say the same for Tesla. It shouldn't be valued at A, B, and C. You're never really going to make spectacular trading. You're never going to make spectacular trades with that type of mentality, right? The best way to explain this would be to backtest. Let's first deal with the coin supply. There's only 160 billion coins in circulation, and they also have already mentioned that they burn the OMI supply daily. Whenever a transaction is made, whenever a big deal is made, coins are burnt. And obviously this will stabilize over time once coin supply does get really low, I presume. But with that being said, the coin supply is controlled, guys. It's not 500 billion coins just circulating on the market. The coin supply is clearly being controlled and managed in a sensible way. So that's nothing to worry about per se. Now I know you're probably thinking, but that's still a lot, guys. But so is Ripple, so is XLM. But let's just have a quick look because I want to show you guys something that's very important, right? So let's go and have a look at XRP. XRP in 2017 rallied to almost $3.50 per coin. Hello? I mean, are we forgetting this? I mean, a lot of people seem to think that, and again, I understand the mentality, I understand the pessimism, but at the same time, it's important to actually be able to back test and look at examples. When I mention that $1 area, that's not just, I can't speak on the behalf of other YouTubers that may be reviewing this, but for us, this is all from past experience and back testing. Guys, I come from a foreign exchange and stock trading background, right? So I know what I'm talking about when I say that it will not be surprising if price does spike to that $1 level. And I'm going to explain that in detail, but please do not get confused. When I say price can hit $1, I'm looking, I'm really looking in depth on the market in 2017 when this coin with a coin supply of over a total coin supply of over 100 billion XRP tokens. 100 billion XRP tokens, and price again almost hit $3.50 per coin. Now, of course, guys, did that momentum maintain? No. But at the same time, we understood why this was happening. It was because a lot of money was being poured into the cryptocurrency space, which I'm going to speak more about, after this segment. But yeah, a lot more money is being poured into the market. There's a lot of hype. There's a lot. Again, this was one of the leading, I'll be second biggest cryptocurrencies at one stage. This is, and now, as you can see, price is at 46 cents and hasn't quite, it's been ranging ever since 2017 that market, 2018, that market sell off. And as you can see, price is ranging, but we're not discussing where price, could be or wouldn't be for the next 5 years. All we're talking about is where price could potentially go, pretty much right away. right? Where we see this straight line or strong trending move in these bear bull markets, and then obviously price will pull back, which is why I said specifically I would be looking to sell 50% of my OMI tokens once that target is met, because I understand that this can actually happen when the market can sell off, start to range, and then maybe, who knows, next 2 years this can maybe continue to reach its all-time highs as more money and capital is poured into the crypto space. Guys, many people saying, oh, the market cap would have to hit 30 billion or 50 billion on OMI, etc. But that's not unusual. I mean, that's not something that's, guys, you have to remember, this is a growing space. I still believe this market is completely undervalued still. The market cap hasn't even hit $2 trillion for the cryptocurrency space. $2 trillion. Bitcoin alone is $1 trillion, which makes up almost all majority of over 50% of the overall market cap of the cryptocurrency space. So this is what we have to keep into account, guys. You know, we can't just pull out numbers and say, you know, OMI would have to hit this target, and that's not possible. What about Ethereum? And I'm going to go to that point, but let's just continue. So let's look at XRP again. Total coin supply 100 billion. Circulating supply, again, another controlled supply, 45 billion per coin. So 45 billion circulating in the market currently. And as you can see here, that all-time high level, which was pretty much hit, price went in a straight line. And this is what happens when there's hype. You've got to remember, guys, ECOMI OMI coin hasn't even been listed on Uniswap yet. So we're waiting for that listing on the 24th to see what happens. You know, who knows where price will go after that. And let's say price goes on Binance platform or Coinbase. We're very unlikely to go on Coinbase anytime soon, but let's say it goes on Binance. Let's say it goes on another decentralized exchange. Who knows what price will do? We could keep seeing this straight line move, which we're seeing now, right? Price is pretty much trending towards the upside. And let's say there's any large announcements like the NFL drop or more users start to adopt the platform. You know, I feel like a lot of people aren't taking this into account when looking at numbers, and they're not also looking at the overall NFT space. You cannot just look at OMI coin ECOMI on its own, right? You can't look at this project on its own and then say, these are the numbers, these YouTubers are always saying this, that, and the other. Guys, this is basic economics. You know, we can't just look at the project on its own. We have to look at the potential of the space. How much do we believe the NFT space will be worth in the next year or so? Once you can answer that, you can say, okay, who's going to be the leading player in that NFT space? And how much of that market cap will they control or will they have? I believe ECOMI will be the overall leading player of the NFT space. I believe the NFT space can hit well over 100 billion by the end of this year. You know, and again, if ECOMI was to control most of that, or even 30% of that, that's over $30 billion. So the answer is right in front of you. Now, no, like I said, I'm not saying that this is going to hit $1 this year, but I said I wouldn't be surprised if it did happen. I wouldn't be surprised if it did happen. Now, let's talk about the market cap, because this is also a very interesting one. I received a comment saying, if ECOMI was to hit A, B, and C, this will exceed the market cap of Ethereum. Guys, just because a project moves, it doesn't mean that the rest of the crypto space is going to stay still. Ethereum could more than double in value this year. I'm anticipating Ethereum to hit between $5,000 to $7,000 per coin this year. We have to stop thinking so statically. Just because one project succeeds does not mean another will fail. We're still very early on in this space, guys. You know, the possibilities are endless. Again, I understand many of you may have transitioned from the stock or foreign exchange market right away and haven't actually been able to back test the way these cryptocurrencies have performed over time. But do not be surprised. Anything can happen in the cryptocurrency market. All it takes is one big investor to pour even 500 million in this, and it goes to the moon. All it takes is for one big announcement, and this goes to the moon. All it takes is for wide scale adoption, and this goes to the moon. Now, where we go from there, that's another story. But like I said, it's important to have that exit plan. That is my exit plan, my 50% exit plan. Once OMI hits $1, I'm personally taking 50% of profit off the cards. Why? Because I understand how markets move. We will get that pump, that initial colossal pump, and then we tend to get the retrace. I'm going to continue this video. Make sure you comment below. Tell me what you think, and we will discuss more. With that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, when others are fearful, be greedy. When others are greedy, be fearful. At the moment, I don't believe there's fear, or I don't believe there's greed. I just believe a lot of people are very, very confused. With that being said, guys, seize the day.